Here's how to reinstall a ModWing on your Floodlight 2 shell. This is the same process whether the shell is set up with DCC clips for belted carry or set up with an Enigma Express faceplate as part of a light-bearing Enigma Express assembly. Here's the parts you'll need to have. 2 1/2-inch screw posts, 2 3/8 rubber washers or spacers, the actual light-bearing ModWing, 2 3/4-inch oval head screws, and then these 2 little brass bushings, what we call eyelets. Here's what you do with those. Take your ModWing on the same side as the insert, drop those eyelets into the holes. They just protect the plastic of the ModWing from being deformed by the screw pressure. Then take your 3/4-inch screws, drop them in, and then set that aside. It'll be easy to pick it all up together as an assembly rather than trying to hold it in place and put the screws through it at the time. Then the back side of your holster is whichever side your washers are on. It's the body facing side of your holster. You'll take your 2 screw posts and drop them through those holes. Put your thumb over the back of them and then press your rubber spacers on. That should capture the screw posts so that they can't fall back out. Then line that up so the screw posts are visible through those 2 holes. Hold the holster flat, pick up your ModWing with the screws and eyelets in it, and set it in place. If you're working on a light-bearing express assembly, you may need to loosen these 4 screws just to swivel the faceplate a little bit out of the way to get easier access to these screws to tighten them in. So you'll line up your ModWing and then gently turn those screws in. And because these screws both mount the ModWing and adjust the retention of the holster, you will want to test fit with an unloaded firearm after you've fully installed these screws. I usually go just till I see a little bit of compression on the rubber spacer, a little bit of squeeze on that spacer, and then I test fit and then tighten or loosen these screws to taste until I have the retention the way that I want. And that's how you reinstall a ModWing on a Floodlight 2 shell.